Well, yesterday, after quietening down after many straight days of a rally, what does the equity market start look like this morning? Well, you could say we're off to a fairly decent start, up about 0.5% on the frontline index at 14,222. You've also got, mind you, the Nifty Mid Cap Index, which has hit its all-time high. So lots of traction. 2021, I think, has started off with a lot of fervor within the broader universe. That's really where all the action has been. So on that index, up a good 1% at 21,872 levels. You've also got the small cap index, by the way. Just take a look at the movement that you're seeing there, 1% plus already. So that stark outperformance within the broader market is very evident this morning. You've got lots of moves coming in then, and let's just run you through then what the sectoral bias is. So for now, we're holding out by 0.5% on the frontline index at 264 points on the Sensex. That's at 48,429. Real estate charging through. Metal is showing you lots of traction. PSU banks, infrastructure, check in on the Nifty Bank at 32,057. MNC, IT, energy, you name it, in the green for all. To the Nifty gainers then, and what does it look like today? Well, you've got Tata Steel in leadership. Metals definitely at the forefront. So Hindalco as well is very active. JSW Steel looking good. Coal India in the green. Banks, so SBI is active. You've got Axis Bank, Indocent, Power Grid, BPCL, Tech Mahindra, M&M, UPL, ICICI Bank, all active. Only 3 stocks in the red. Titan looking a little bit muted. You've got Kotak as well as Shree Cements. Those are some of the stocks that are a little bit tempered in today's trading session. Straight up, let's get to the newsmakers then. Real estate, all in focus. Remember, the Maharashtra government has approved the 50% reduction in the premium for projects. This is the second positive booster coming in after you had that stamp duty cut. And what's it doing to the real estate stocks? They're all flying high. Sobha 6%, Oberoi Realty 6%, Suntech, Mahindra Lifespace, Brigade, Phoenix, DLF, all very active in today's trading session. Meantime, some of the other newsmakers include Dixon Technologies. That stock is in focus as they've entered into that agreement with Boat for manufacturing of the twin wireless speakers under their EMS business. So Dixon is another newsmaker. You've also got NMDC. They've hiked their iron ore lump and fines prices. Sobha is also in focus because their Q3 sales volumes have been higher by 29%. Sequentially, 29% for the sales value, 27% sales volume. Bandhan Bank is another stock on the move as the Q3 loans and advances numbers have come in very encouraging this time around. You've got Titan muted, as we told you about CLSA sell recommendation with a target price at 1370. Just a quick check-in as to what all the action indicates within the broader universe, which are some of the smart buzzers and movers in trade this Thursday morning. Apart from real estate, I'm not going to flag that off again. Jain Irrigation does well. You've got something like IDFC First Bank, Amber, Strides Pharma, India Mart, JK Cement, Jindal Steel, Polycab. Those are some of the interesting movers on the upside. While on the flip side, DHFL, Inox, PVR, TCI, Kotak, ITI, Blue Star, ABFRL are some of the losers.